Meaning of fulfilling.
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 Fulfilling. Fulfilling refers to a sense of satisfaction or accomplishment that one experiences after achieving a goal or completing a task. It is a feeling of contentment that comes from knowing that one's efforts have been worthwhile and have contributed to personal growth or the betterment of others. This feeling of fulfillment can come from various aspects of life, such as work, personal relationships, hobbies, or community involvement. Overall, it brings a sense of purpose and happiness to one's life, and motivates individuals to continue striving towards their goals and aspirations.